Hey everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to integrate Twitter or X in Framer. So the first option is to use these three dots right here and click on embed. Then here you can embed video or embed post. In this case we don't have any videos, so I'm gonna click on embed post and click on copy code. Then go to Framer, click on insert and look up for embed. Drag it inside, select HTML and paste the code inside. Then change the height to fit content, and the height, it will depend on how long the tweet is. In my case it is a short tweet, so it looks like this. So let's see how it works with a video. I will click again on these three dots, click on embed, and this time I will select video. Let's go back to Framer. And as you can see, you can use this as a video player as well. So it works good. Next, I'm gonna use the pre-built component in Framer. So I will look up for Twitter, drag it inside. So this time you just have to click on the post, then copy the URL link. Go back to Framer and paste the URL in here. And voila, it worked very easily. Let's see how it looks like. It's the same, basically the same thing, but this one looks much better in my opinion. Therefore, I prefer honestly to use this one. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.